Right everybody, just a quick video might be of interest to somebody. I was watching the carpenter's daughter. She's a regular person on YouTube for DIY stuff. Sort of girlfriend we all need. Doesn't wait for the boyfriend to do the repair, gets her work boots on and gets out there and has a go herself, and does a very good job of it most of the time. So what I seen her doing recently was filling in some potholes on her driveway. Probably the wrong time of year to do it when it's this cold, because it's a bit easier on hot weather. So this basically, there's various brands of this. This is a pre-mixed tarmac repair. So this is just tar already mixed up and ready to go. So all you'll basically do is clear out the worst of the debris out of your hole, and which can look a bit nice if you want to make it look a little bit of a neater job. If you take a balsa chisel and square up the hole, just trim the edges off to make it'll look a bit neater when it's done. So basically all you do, get the worst of the rubble out of the hole, then you'll get a chunk of this pre-mixed tarmac out, put it in the hole, and then you'll just compact it down with a lump hammer. Get it as flat as you can, and you can use a tamper just to pound it down, and then you just fill in the hole, and basically you're done. Now, one little bit the carpenter's daughter wasn't aware of that you can get is basically this is just liquid tar in a can basically. So I suppose the most likely part of the repair to go over time is once you've done it. I suppose the actual joint of the tarmac where you've done the repair connecting up to the rest of the driveway is the most likely bit to go. So all you do with this stuff, once you've got it finished, is just spray around the joints of your repair basically, and this just puts a bit of a better seal on that edging. Now this particular brand is tarmac, and this one's edging and jointing spray. A little bit of a tiny can, this one. So no idea how much all this stuff costs. We bought it a while ago. So there's various stuff. She found one at Wicks, which she bought in a bag, like you'd buy a bag of building sand or something, and that was fairly cheap. I can't remember how much she said, but it wasn't expensive. But so that can's a little bit on the small side. Now this is made by the same company as this stuff, which is Ultracrete. And basically this is the same thing, just from a different manufacturer. This one's bitumen cold joint sealer and tack coat. Now reading the instructions on this one, the other thing it says you can use it for is before you actually put the repair tarmac in the hole, you can spray the whole bottom of the hole that you're going to do with that to give it a tack coat basically, to join all the loose stuff up together, give you a bit more of a solid foundation to go onto. We didn't do that on a couple of jobs that I've done at work, and it's probably 2 years down the line and it's still all looking pretty good, starting to show signs of it starting to go. So you don't have to do the tack coat. We didn't, and we've got away with it. So nice simple little job, so driveway or your footpaths or anything like that, and relatively cheap to do. So that's of help to some of you. Bye for now.